YouTube.
Hello guys, hi. Good
Yeah, good
afternoon.
evening, guys.
Good evening, everybody, guys. Just a minute.
So let's check the gold and silver.
Guys, one of the craziest
Exactly.
correction or fall, whatever you want, you can say. But it was like very, very fast, literally very, very fast. Every day we were talking about this stuff. Today it was there.
Yeah.
Understood. Okay, we don't know. Basically, tomorrow also we can see this kind of a stuff. I don't know. Tomorrow means like Monday, Saturday, Sunday though is off. Monday only directly now. So still market like it will be closing at like 2:30, right? So definitely don't know what will happen till 2:30.
Exactly. So yeah, hi Nandish, hi. So yesterday what happened? Like gold fell down by 400 points. If you
Exactly.
see here, it fell down by 400 points from the top.
Very, very, very crazy fall.
See this from here, almost 400 points means 8%. So I think you guys must be aware that why this drop came because Trump removed the federal chairman Jeremy Powell. So he removed him from his post. So that is why this sudden fall came into the market. But we are not sure what
See,
is the reason behind the fall.
yeah, a lot of reasons will be
Exactly.
there. One can be triggering point. Okay, it's not like that.
Exactly.
Okay, so
So this reason you can say it's a kind of triggering point because
mm,
gold was or silver was in completely upside momentum. They were in bullish run.
correct.
Not even uptrend. We can say it's a complete bullish momentum. So market was waiting for some kind of negative sentiment or negative trigger, and that trigger came and see the spike or the this kind of fall in gold.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, yesterday we were discussing like don't go investment all of your funds into single time.
Yeah,
So same thing happened. So now you can invest some portion of your capital, some portion you can invest 20%, 25%. Then again at a dip of 5, 7%, you can accumulate more.
yeah, exactly. See, the thing is like you may think that on what is the like intention, like why exactly if Powell is gone and why exactly this all happens. I will give you some like thinking point. Okay, you just imagine. See, he is sitting in a very big position. Okay, literally.
Exactly.
Okay, he's sitting in a very big position. Think about it. Like me and Deepanshu is running a big hedge fund. Okay, we are managing like thousands of lakhs of crores.
Like let's say one
Okay.
buffet.
Yeah, we are running basically on that one. So now me and like Dipanshu and we are connected with Paul. Okay, we told him that favor us. Always try to do like rate cuts would be there. Okay, try
Exactly.
to keep in the pressure in the market so that we can try to basically like we buy at good accumulated price of gold
Exactly.
so that it goes at so that can be also triggering point. I'm just creating a theory out of it. I'm just
Like
giving
a
you okay so
hypothetical
that yeah,
situation.
hypothetical situation this can also be possible. We definitely don't know what all things can happen over there. You just think about it. What if this is a true?
Exactly.
Okay, so now, like Trump is one of the one more uncertainty guy. So if Trump got to know about this one or like whatever it can be there. So now whoever is coming now, he has a lot of pressure also to manage this whole stuff.
Exactly.
Okay,
So tomorrow itself, Trump is going to announce a new chairman.
exactly.
So how the market is going to react, how the cryptos, stock market or the global market is going to react.
Crypto is already bleeding now. You
Exactly.
can see
So
we were
again,
shorting
if
on
you
the like
see,
so.
where is that BTC? So you see BTC again, 84,000 was our targets for initial target. You see, it came to 81,000.
Yeah,
Crypto is
exactly.
also bleeding. If you see every commodity sector, crypto sector,
We were exactly telling you at this time it is
some
basically a
sudden
flag
downside
pattern. It
spike
will
came.
be
Yeah.
with a very good pattern. Whenever this happens, we'll try to
So it
always
could have been a
use.
positional trade, and positional trade 1:3, I think we could have captured.
Exactly.
So this thing you can plan out, follow the proper price action structure.
Yeah. So and one more thing is like see now silver is under a pressure. Gold as of now it is completely
Yeah.
fine. See until unless gold is not trading below 5,000 level, it's all okay. And gold silver is like below 100 level.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it's
this
just
is
like below 100.
yeah.
Some coin
Why
is still
why
coming.
am I telling this stuff? You see, These are the levels where the highly pressure came and market in just 2 to 3 days or 4 days, it rallied 20%.
Exactly.
Correct. So that means the pressure of that levels is very, very high. People whoever like short covering or like whoever enter there, that levels are very good. So if they are trading under like next 2 days, 3 days, like after this Monday opening next 2 3 days, if it's trading below 5,000 and below 300, then it is a weak level. So again, we can see a new low as well. Okay, try to keep this stuff in the mind.
Yeah. So one more thing, guys, if you see silver crossed 100 here. So this is first day, second, third, fourth, fifth. So in fifth day, it gave a 20% return.
Yeah,
Went to 121 almost. Yeah,
exactly.
122 almost.
Exactly.
And you see how many days it took to go against 200, 2 days only.
Correct.
So whenever you see a upside rally of this momentum, always prepare for the downside move with the same kind of this thing aggressive move. Same aggressive move came. So silver, if you see, I think it is down by some 18, 19% from the high. Yeah, almost 20%, 21%. So same returns it gave in 5 days, it wiped out all the returns in 2 days.
Correct.
So now, if you are a investor who bought from these levels, you must be panicking that the moment you bought, it went down 20%. But that is not the right way, na? Because we were discussing, telling you that try to accumulate in every fall.
Exactly.
So now the fall has came. Now you can accumulate some instead of
Portion
going.
of it.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of going 100% of your investment, go with 20%. 20% you can invest. Let's say some portion you can invest in gold also. Again, if you see correction, then again you can invest, because ultimately, see, it's a cycle. All those people who are holding from the silver and gold, let's say from these levels, they are also patiently 4 to 5 years waiting, and now the patience rewarded them, so it becomes 5x, 6x. So again, if you think that okay, now you are entering at 100 levels, 99, 110, so you can capture the same kind of momentum that it can go to 300, 350 in next 6 months or 2 years. So that is not possible, that is not reasonable. So this kind of rally, you can't expect continuous momentum.
That's completely fine. So we were talking about this stuff like every day, literally. So that's like 10%, 20% correction is very, very common. That's completely fine
Exactly.
because you saw and see me only itself. I told you that 100 is 130% returns. So now today, like 30 gone, like it's almost like in ETF, like it was a huge crash. Okay, it was a huge crash. I'm telling you now, it was a huge
Yeah.
crash. So this is completely fine. It's
Yeah,
okay.
even in Indian MCX also.
Yeah,
So what happened there? Like some problems are going on. Like so much momentum is there. So future strike price, this thing option strike prices and future contracts, they are not properly like let's say they are not properly being managed. So these things are going on because no one has expected this kind of stuff, this kinds of volatility. So it
correct.
is totally unexpected. 20%, 5, 10% going up in a single day and then crashing 10%, 12% in a single day. So the system is not able. System was not designed to handle this kind of things. So
See,
whenever this kind of momentum comes, you have to first thing is that protect your capital,
yeah,
and
protect
then
yourself and protect your
exactly
capital. That's it.
protect your capital, because if you have capital, again you can
Tomorrow
trade.
we can take in trades.
So again you can have new day. But if you don't have capital, you wipe out your capital in this single fall. What will happen? Now you will not be able to take trades, and then again let's say if start going up after correction in next few days. So again you will start forming.
Exactly.
FOMO will come.
So try to understand this stuff. The opportunities will be keep on coming. Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay. Completely fine. You just need to wait for the perfect levels and either risk reward for yourself, and then you can go for a trade. That's completely fine.
Yeah, so in the afternoon also, guys, you see here we were just analyzing gold. So what can be this thing? So see here, proper breakdown, retracement also. So we did not took a trade, so we were expecting to take a trade in front of you guys only.
Yeah.
So for that we were waiting.
And one more thing, like today, you see, there was a huge, big stop losses. Like 20, 25 point stop loss were very common today because market itself is giving a huge momentum. So then what we can do, correct? That is also there. And yesterday itself, market has basically, in Indian market, silver has basically went up and down 1 lakh rupees literally.
Yeah, so Narendra is asking like, hi sir, can we expect more fall in silver and gold? See, don't expect anything, don't predict anything. Just try to see what the market is doing, nothing else. No one who would expected that silver can give you this kind of returns in 5 6 months.
Correct.
And this kind of fall is like it's reasonable, pretty reasonable. Why? Because if this kind of momentum will come on the upside, a correction is necessary. So now if the correction is not coming, like these corrections are not coming here, so if momentum is coming like this 20%, 30% in 5 days, so correction will be like this only. In
Yeah.
2 days, it will wipe out everything. So what market is trying to do is that it is trying to remove the weak hands from the trades or market. So now when weak hands will be removed, again market will start going towards the its own direction. Again, we can't predict, anything can happen. It can fall down also. It can again go down.
Yeah.
No one can predict. So as an investor, what should I do? First thing is to protect my capital. Second thing is that I will try to invest in portions, like some 15-20%. Again, we are discussing same thing. Go with portions, 20%, 15%. Every dip, try to accumulate. So if you see here at this candle, if you see, this was also a very big fall in a single day.
Yeah, 10%,
I think
8%.
it was almost more than 10%. 15% it was. And after that, what happened? You see here,
Slow
it was
market
80
rate.
and went to 120. So again, 50% return it gave. Now it's again 15-20% down. So maybe again it can go up. So when corrections don't come in the this kind of correction in structure, price action is not coming. What will happen if this keeps going up like this in a parabolic move? Corrections will be big. They will be painful.
Yeah.
Because what will happen after seeing 15-20% down, then the psychology of the investor can change. Okay, so 20% it has given fall. Maybe it can again go down 20%. So because of this, what will happen? Weak players will start exiting. And after that, what will happen? What whoever the remaining these people, if market starts going up, so they will again get the reward for patiently waiting and holding their positions.
If you ask me today, again, I accumulated the silver. Okay, why exactly I did this stuff? See, everybody was fearing. It was full fear. So nobody was like basically buyer or that. Can we accumulate in the low level? Yeah, definitely we can accumulate. I also did today. So basically, what happened? Market has see. Don't go everything at a time. Okay, and today I told a lot of my investors also to accumulate the gold. Okay, silver also. So
Yeah.
here what happened? I did is like see in the last 10-15 minutes, market was basically you see there was no buyer at all. Full in ETF, there was only sellers going on. Correct. So this is what happens. Then I started averaging it up. Okay, not in like if I have a 2 lakh rupees, in 2 lakh rupees I bought somewhere around 30-40,000 rupees today. So if tomorrow, like in Monday again it corrects, I will again keep on adding. So that is how we need to plan and agree to trade. Okay, not I'm not adding everything at once because I have already having exposure here. You're understanding. So that we should try to do.
Yeah, so never like go in like
One
with
go.
full investment
Yeah.
in a single time. Try to do with investment in phases, in dips, or you can do pyramiding also. So what is the mindset of a retailer? He's more focused on doing averaging.
Correct.
So he thinks that I will keep buying the dip, keep buying the dip, and what will happen when it started going up? I can make a lot of money. But they don't make money in this kind of market. This is not a proper way. Proper way is doing pyramiding.
Okay.
So whenever you see market is going down, try to accumulate, and then it is making new highs, you can accumulate more. So with this way, what is happening? You are averaging in your profits, not in losses.
Correct.
So when you are buying on dip, you are averaging in losses. But when you are doing pyramiding, you are doing averages of your profit.
Correct.
So in case in that what happens now, even if fall coming, what happen? At least your profit will go down, but at least asset is going up. But in dips, so what will happen? Asset is already going down. You are sitting in losses. So now to reduce those losses, you are doing averaging, hoping that it will go up.
Yeah.
So understand this difference between the doing averaging and pyramiding.
Exactly. So now let's see what trades we are getting in the gold
Exactly.
and silver. Like silver is sitting at 100 level and gold is sitting at like 5,000. So now go to the smaller time frame. See now again, tell me what is the trend here? It is uptrend, but today it will have a like very good correction. So
Yeah.
if you see in a smaller time frame, yeah, it is basically bearish only. From yesterday, it's completely trying to make lower, low, lower, lower. Okay, so that is a basically stuff here.
Yeah, if you look at like what is the point it gave since the morning, almost you see again 500 points gold. So who would have thought again that gold can fall 500 points in a single day? So and same thing, who would have thought that gold can go up 5-10% in a single week?
Exactly.
So anything is possible. If upside of this much momentum without retracement is possible, so downside is also possible. So now upside, a lot of people will be making money. A lot of people made money. Now how will you handle these kind of corrections? So that is the real investor psychology. If you have accumulated at the higher levels, or what will happen? Then it will be a very panic one for you. You will start
Exactly.
panicking. Like okay,
Exactly. So
single
yesterday
day it
only
came down
somebody was
5%.
asking, no, we were telling that
Yeah,
don't buy, wait for the correction, then only try to. So now if somebody bought at like 600 level, you say just see the pain, $600 gone,
exactly.
completely gone. So it will be very bad for us. So silver was also same the stuff, gold is also completely same thing. So it is back to 95. This is back to again from here. So any trades we are getting, we'll try to see now.
Yeah. So let's see if in anything we can get in CryptX, our platform. So yesterday, guys, I think I posted one video where we booked some profits, quick profit. It was a kind of scalp trade. In a single minute, it is going up and down like 15-30 points.
Exactly.
In a single minute of candle, the gold is moving 15 to 30 points. So which was something like even I have not seen before. Because 30, 20, 30 points you are expecting in a single 1 minute candle.
And stop loss were also very, very big over
Exactly.
here.
Stop loss will be weak. So what you can do not try to trade with momentum.
Yeah.
Don't let's say you are trying to go for short position, you are trying something like this, and then you are trying to again go for short, again you are covering your position short. So wait for proper level, and when you are seeing market is making good candles, good price action, then you can do short and try to do quick booking. In this type of market, now don't try to hold. Just try to do quick booking. So yesterday I did the same thing. We did the quick booking only, nothing else. Not now we are not trying to hold. Why? Because if 30, 40 points it is giving in a single candle, 5 minutes so it can move 60, 70 points.
Very
So
easily.
50, 30, 50 points stop loss we can't take. It is too
Exactly.
big.
Very, very, very big stop losses are coming into the picture, guys, here. So that is a major, major stuff here. Okay. Try to understand this thing. And one more thing is like, see, this trade I was explaining, basically here what happened, in the daytime frame perspective manner, I basically marked the low and the high of this. Okay. One second. Take a line from here. This was a level. Okay. You can say consider it 100. So this level is basically a important level for us. Just a
Blue
minute.
line.
Blue line. Okay. 5,000 level. Why it is coming different
Yeah.
price?
This was the level. Silver you're talking or gold?
No, no, gold only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just silver.
Hmm.
Just a minute. What about it? So good pattern
So guys, like if you have
from
any
here to
doubt,
here.
anything you want to ask, you can ask. You can put your query or
This one.
anything
Okay,
in your chat
it's a
box.
basically 5,000 level only. Okay, so I basically marked a 5,000 level. Here, what happened in the 5,000 level is like, you see, market has basically come down here. Okay, and then automatically what happened? It kind of goes upside and come back to the 5,000 level here in the retest form. What am I talking about? Okay, from here basically 25 point stop loss. 25 point was the stop loss here. This trade I was telling. Okay, round number retracement I was talking about. 1:2. What I was telling, it has very easily achieved. What was a setup is like two things. So when the price goes below the 5,000 level, okay, when it comes back
Yeah.
again upside, came back to the 5,000 level, that time only we need to take a trade in
Yeah,
the
so it was kind
upside
of, you
manner.
see, rejection candles.
Yeah.
Big rejection candle is coming. Selling pressure was there, but buyers came. You see the rejection candles, two big kind of, you say, long wick. So they are giving us or giving us a signal of rejection. And see after that break again 5,000 above retracement, then rally.
And this one trade, and one more thing is basically here was the one more trade. So in one more trade, basically what happened, you see market basically crossed this 100 level. Okay, I will tell you what is the importance of that 100 level, because previous day low it was. Okay, so
Hmm.
here also the same stuff, like you can try to keep 20-25 point stop loss. Okay, again try to capture 1:2. Okay, 1:2 here. So it missed
Almost one
basically,
issue.
but this was a setup. Like again, it will go upside when it back retrace to this level, and you can go for a trade. So retracement we got here also and here also. So this was an entry point, and 1:2 what you can capture. Stop loss, yeah, 25 points I'm trying to keep here, because today the momentum was very, very big. Otherwise,
Yeah.
generally the stop loss will be 10 points. Okay, 5 points, 7, 12 points like that. Okay, it
So
will be
let's
very
see,
slow.
guys, if we can find any trade. We can try to do some trades in gold. You see here, so this is a very important level. Right now, wherever the gold is, this was the accumulation or consolidation. The breakout made a new high, very sharp rally, 5,600 it went, and then sharp correction also. So again, market is testing the same level, so we can try to do some position here. Let's see if we can find something. Let's see in 3 minutes also. 5100. So we can plan for long, guys.
Two zero two four. The limit order.
So 5114 I'm putting as my entry price. I'll go for long position. Our target will be 20 points minimum. 5134, and stop loss we will try to capture again 10 to 12 points. So it will be 5102.
10 points surplus, 12 points surplus.
12 points stop loss and 20 points target. So this is our entry, guys. Let's see. Okay, so suddenly it pumped. Huh? See, suddenly it pumped, guys. So let's see. So we have planned one entry, guys. We will try to go for long from this level. Okay, so now it's coming back. See the kind of retracement. Complete manipulation is going on. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we got our entry now. So let's see. Also, US market is also open, guys. 6:30. Let's see here. So now you see your position is earning 9
10
10
dollars.
USDT
13
in negative.
The pressure is very, very good here.
So let's see. Again, minus to 1.7 we will try to capture. Let's see what happens. Hmm. See, again we have gone with the two loads, and we have maximum defined our risk to 2000, I guess. Okay, so I think almost, yeah, stop loss got hit, guys. So it was sudden momentum.
Very fast momentum, very
Yeah,
volatile guys. Good today.
if you see here, I think transaction history.
3000.
So yeah, so this was our loss, 3170, 12 points. No, it should be less, no?
No, it didn't took a 12 point. It took a
Here.
because of
This is the loss, guys, 2533. So just now we took sudden upside, sudden downside. So here we got stopped out. We will see anything else. Right now we will wait and see that if any entry we can get. 5 minutes, so it is going good.
down.
It's going down very good.
Silver is sustaining about 100.
Yeah, silver is trying to sustain above 100.
What about BTC trade we can get? Again, downside pattern
No,
only.
BTC is not looking good, but gold is looking good. It is not expecting any price action. Okay. So again, it is testing the same bottom.
Okay.
If you see, this was a US session opening. This thing.
Swept
Yeah. So this was a US session opening. Let's see. Here we can, I guess,
190
5007.
as a stop loss.
Outside we should, I guess. Again, it's in our box. You see, this is a box kind of thing in gold.
It's too much volatile, guys. I told you, not like from morning 20-25 points
Yeah.
stop losses are coming. Yes, we have PI. Yeah, PPI at 7 o'clock. Just check.
Let's check any data. Yeah, Japanese is there, and
Yeah,
yeah, US is over there. Yeah, so 7 o'clock. Okay, so 12 points is there. We will wait.
correct.
Okay, so gold is trying to give again a breakdown.
Huge volatility in the price.
5 minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. 5097. I think it swapped the US session low.
Liquidity was swept away.
Yeah. You see, it swapped the US session lows going up. 5096. 5110.
Right.
Stop loss will become big.
Very big stop losses.
Yeah, if we can try to short from these levels, stop loss will become big. Either we can work for here also.
That level will vary.
So I think it took our stop loss and now I think it's again going up.
What about silver? What it is trying to do?
Okay. Silver is again sustaining to 100 only.
In short below 50-50. If new accession losing below that.
Yeah, so see, I think if we are planning trade now, we have to plan trade with, but stop loss will become a little bigger. 30 minutes. Okay. 5096. 5096.
96.
5090. So we can plan a trade here also. Still, we'll try to go for a long side only, guys. 5090.
80.
5090. So 5110.
Target it will give me first.
And 5078.
80.
Just 1 or 2 points. See, right now we are taking 1 or 2 points of buffer because now what happening, the momentum is more. So sometimes it's just doing SL hunting. So we are taking buffer also. So right now it's here. Again, 10 points only. If, again, our maximum loss will be again 2500. So loss is 2500 and target we can expect.
So basically, he kept a new accession low as an entry point from
Exactly.
there, and 12 point stop loss risk reward play. So if it is going more than that, only it will try to go. So we should try to take trailing so that we will make a good profit from
See,
that.
if you are taking trades, so please take with your risk management. Na? We are taking trade
Like
based on our risk capacity.
7 o'clock news is also
Yeah,
there.
7 o'clock news is also there. So huge volatility will be there.
Let's see, 2,500 rupees,
Yeah, so stop loss is somewhere here.
78.
Let's see. This is an important level. Let me mark the position.
It will trigger immediately.
This will be our target. This will be stop loss. So 7 o'clock, anything can happen, guys. Big candles can come like this. You see how much point it is?
55.
So 55 points of candle can instantly come. It is very much expectation.
Yeah, it triggered, guys, basically.
So
Order got
same
triggered.
thing here. You also 90 points of candle. So not this one, sorry.
This
This
gone.
one. So 70 points of candle. Okay, so back to stop losses. So I think I guess we can't go with the this thing long view. Market is not respecting our long view.
Just wait. So basically, back to back, we got two SLs, guys, here.
Hmm.
So
Six
market
five
is
three. So let's see what is the loss again here, guys. So
somewhere
2689. See, whatever it is, profit and loss, we will directly show you. Okay. So if we are earlier in few sessions before we got targets, we showed you loss is also everything is in front. Again, you see, we are taking loss of nearby 2,500, not more than that. But if we are trying to capture, we will try to capture at least 4,500 or 5,000. So let's wait. So two stop loss back to back. Now we will do nothing, guys. We'll just simply wait. So in 5 minutes, your session will open. And one more thing, guys, is on Sunday, budget is there. Union budget, Indian Union budget. See the fall. Okay, so it's a very good fall. Let's see here. So 50 points of fall. Okay, see in 5 minutes only 50 points it is going down. So see, again it's a good thing now. We are keeping stop losses and everything. So please you also keep your stop losses.
55 points. Here we have an entry.
So
66.
50 points it is falling. See the way it was going up, it was going like 40, 50 points, 100 points, 150 points every day. And now you see it is falling 50 points in a single 5 minute
Sellers are
candle.
also breaking down, guys. New York session.
Yeah.
Let's see how.
So in 5 minutes. So again, can we expect bloodbath
Yeah.
like yesterday? So see, it's a you can say it's a correction also, but some people will think of it as a accumulation points. So they will try to start accumulating. People who miss the rally or people who are bought from very lower levels and they were expecting for a proper corrections. So now they can enter in gold. If you see from here to here, if proper corrections now it is coming, maybe they can accumulate. So again, I think it respected the 5,000 level gold. Let's go in 5 minutes. Yeah, so 5,000 level is here. Let's mark the this level. So if it is breaking this level, maybe again what can happen? Shallow pressure can come. Karthik has seen try to go with market direction. Yeah, Karthik, we are expecting that what happening now? If you see the chart of gold here. Yeah, so what we were expecting now, when market was giving this much of fall in last 2 days, then we saw the 5,000 level how it reacted. So what
Exactly.
we were expecting again, market can try and test at least these levels. You see here,
From where it will
5,200. Then
collect
because
the
this is a
liquidity and then
yeah
it can
liquidity, major liquidity point is there. So again from there maybe it can try to go down. So that is why we are trying to take stop losses small, 12 points, 12 points, 10 points, 12 points. So if we are wrong, we will be willing to lose 2,500. Again, if market started going up, we can book the profit also and trail also. So let's see, 3 minutes is pending. Only 3 minutes is left. So the news will
gold.
come.
35 level.
Hmm. See, if you see the overall trend is bullish. Since in last 2 days, it's completely big corrections. So what we see after watching 2 days now, we can't say that the trend has changed. We have to see that what kind of structure market is making. It's a lower low, lower high structure or what. If it is falling that much, it can recover also. Maybe in the night it can recover. Anything I can possible.
Yeah. Night only it can recover 5-6% and then it can close.
Yeah. So maybe tomorrow market when new person chairman will be coming, maybe that we can see recovery because maybe market is now waiting for the new person. What can be his point of view, policy formulation, all these things. So maybe that is going to impact a lot the commodity prices and all the stock market prices. So let's wait 1.5 minutes left. We'll see. We will see. Guys, if you have any doubt now, you can also ask anything. You can, if you want to discuss regarding CryptX, you want to discuss, you can start your CryptX.
Yeah, we will be giving you our referral code as well. You can use it and you can join.
And one more thing is that, guys, we have launched our crypto course.
Yeah, definitely. Whoever is basically joining
Yeah,
using referral codes, basically you will be getting the course completely free of
and
cost.
plus 10% discount on brokerages.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
10% is the use amount if you are trading in big volume. So if you are taking use leverages, it is making a lot of impact.
Exactly, guys. So basically, market is again back down below. Silver is very 100 below. So it's a very weakness. What I'm trying to say.
Cash market.
So
DII bought, sold, and FII is
FI
bought.
spot.
This is also new before budget day
FIs are like buying and DIs are selling.
for one particular
Today also like Indian market was pretty much okay,
choppy.
consolidated, but we captured a good momentum from the
Yeah, so
bottom
we have
here.
also posted this thing.
Yeah, from here only we took a
Instagram we
trade.
posted, guys.
So
You
from
can
here
see.
only we took a trade and
So
we captured this
yeah, so
momentum as
what
well.
happened now? What was our trade basis here? It's 7 o'clock. Just 1 minute. No momentum. So no momentum came, guys. What happened? News is there, na? Okay, now the data came. But here though it is not showing no momentum.
Already so much fall is there already. What all it can more like
Maybe
already
it can
six
go
and a
up.
half percent is down.
So data it is, so core PPI data is what is
They have
expected.
increased it.
Forecast actual 0.07. Okay, so jump is now a small spike.
100%.
So maybe it can test again 5,000. So I think we can try to go for short, I guess. But let's see. It is near to 5,000 level, and if we go short here, na, it can take again stop
See,
loss.
our 5 points, 10 points, 15 points stop loss today is nothing, I guess. Because huge momentum, no?
5040. So let's say
So
it is
4, 4, 5, 500
5040.
points, it is giving a momentum in a day.
So let's again plan some small. Okay, one lot 5040,
Target and stop loss.
5040, and stop loss will be 15 points. No, let's say 12 points only. 5040, 5028, and target will plan big. 5040, 5075 with one lot only. 5075 is yeah. So this high we will plan as a
That
this
is
thing.
1.7. Down that higher only.
Sorry.
Here only. That is 1.75.
Oh,
I'm telling you, na, today is like very, very
so
big volatile day. See, our 75 looks like very tiny.
yeah, it's looking very tiny, guys. I directly went to 5175. So we can also plan 5175.
Why? Because market momentum, no, it's like that only. Huge momentum is going on today.
5028, so then it can easily take. Wait, let me put the entry little bit down. Open orders. If you like one with 15 minutes, where it is. Okay, it is down also. 30 minutes, where it is. 5046. Anyways, 5044.
Hmm. No momentum, no news, nothing impact because already
No news is no impact is there.
already huge impact was done and dusted.
Chicago Salim speaks. So I think we can't go with small stop losses in this kind of market. Maybe for
Definitely
the
we
few
can.
days we have to try to go with higher stop losses like 30, 35 points.
It will be, and targets also will should be bigger
Then
then.
the target will also be 60 to 65 points.
At least I'm seeing today some five. Silver is trying to give a good like a reversal from the 100 level. Let's see what happens.
So let's see, guys. 5063. Tap and go.
No
So
momentum.
no momentum is there. So we can close.
Any trades, guys? Anybody took any trades here today? India market trades are learning like that. Any expectation? What will be the budget and how it will react
Yeah.
our India markets? Me and Deepanshu we were thinking to take a like a call BTS season.
Yeah, like making some sort of short triangles, long
Yeah,
triangles.
yeah, I did this one. Like some future buys are there. Okay, and like future short, future buy and like put buy also like hedge positions are there. And Reliance, I'm thinking it will be good momentum. I don't know. I'm expecting. Why am I expecting this? It's very simple. Like in a monthly time frame, or like wherever it's sitting at the major level. Okay, it has come to a major level. So from there we can see a good reversal. That is what I'm thinking. So let's see. I'm holding future of Reliance as well with the put short, put buy as well. So hoping for a good
Let's see,
momentum in next
directly it
5 days.
went. Let's cancel this order. So today, guys, we took two trades.
Immediately stop loss were there,
Yeah,
guys.
sudden stop loss. We entered and it took our stop loss. So it was waiting for our entry only. 2500, 2500. So almost 5000. So again, it's fine. See, risk is defined at 2500.
Yeah,
Profit is 1 is to 1.5 minimum, 1 is to 3, 4 also.
that's completely fine, guys. It's
So some
completely
days we are winning, some days we are losing, but our winners were more. And we
and
posted
profit
in
is
a,
also
yeah,
when we are winning, there is more compared to lose. So yeah, okay then
try to plan out the same thing. Okay.
let's see once again. It's going 40, 100. Guys, one more thing I will tell you, like below 100, silver is weak and below 5000, gold is weak. So they should try to stay above that levels, which is very good for them. Okay,
So guys, what do you think that this fall is it's a correction or now market has reversed? What
just
do you think?
comment and tell what you think.
Yeah. So Narendra, you have to call Reliance call for budget. So what positions you took for Reliance? Like what
Call
positions? Call for budget. It's a ATM, OTM. What kind of
like
position it
future
is?
buy you did or like
Or like naked call option you have taken. So you can tell us. Okay, Fab expiry you have taken. Fab expiry 1450.
okay.
1450. Okay, 1450. Somewhere here. So 4% it's not a big deal. It can give. The only thing here is now is the Trump. So plus one more thing is that if the new person is coming and that person like I'm asking talking about Fed chairman and if his point of view is good like he's willing to cut the rates so maybe what can happen is that there can be some more economic activity can come because if the rates are going down in this thing borrowing will be cheaper so if borrowing will become cheaper that money will go into economy production again which will increase the oil prices so if new person is coming whose point of view is liberal for the cutting rates so maybe we can expect a rally also so let's see but again no one can say anything again 1450 you have taken I hope you have taken reasonable quantity and you have planning for reasonable loss don't do kind hero zero kind of stuff and I'm sure that you are already aware of this thing physical delivery in stock so all these things you are aware so you can hold your position it is looking good reliance is taking proper support Proper. Yeah, so proper support zones it is in. Consolidation is also good. So if no external factor is there, no external news is there, it can try to go up 5%,
66.
6% exactly. So 1400, at least 80 is our target for Reliance.
Also, basically, I told you, na, future buy is also there.
Yeah.
Gold is picking up. Let's see what happens here.
So yeah, Narendra, you are saying very minimal position, it's fine. It's fine. Because see what happens now, everything is up to budget. No one knows what's in budget except the government. So if budget is positive and still again no external is there. So Reliance will definitely rally. Reliance will definitely rally. I guess we can close now.
Okay, guys. Thank you for joining the live.
Yeah, so guys, I think we are closing now.
Okay, so we'll
Two
catch
trade,
up.
two trades, both stop loss, max most total loss 5,200 rupees.
So this is like very great pressure is there in the
Yeah. So please again, whatever trades you're planning for today in gold or this thing in budget day, trade with stop loss and proper risk management. Don't trade
Yeah.
for hope.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for attending the live.
Yeah, thank you.